Dive into a new communication experience. Express yourself with Pix, the first smart animated backpack that illuminates your flow and reveals it to the world. How does it work? You control it through your smartphone. Simply download the app and connect it to the backpack. Enjoy dozens of pictures and cartoons available in the app. Choose your favorite one and it appears on the backpack. Express your creativity. Create your own art and share it. It can be either a picture or a cartoon. The only limit is your imagination. Use the Pix app to personalize your backpack as much as you like. It's easy and fun. Communicate with the world around you. Share something you care about. Your moods and feelings, what you're up to, your favorite music, anything you like. How about interactive features like notifications and widgets? Let your Pix backpack help you in everyday life. After all, the Pix is still a backpack for your stuff. It's designed to be roomy, convenient, and stylish, and has enough compartments to carry everything you need. Highlight your personality with Pix. Let us show you how to animate your Pix backpack. It works with a 2 ampere output power bank of any capacity. For example, a 10,000 milliampere capacity is enough for about 6 hours of continuous lighting. First, inside your Pix backpack is a USB cable. Now plug that cable into the power bank. Second, download the Pix Backpack app from the App Store or Play Market. Then open the app and make sure your Bluetooth is enabled. Now pair your backpack and your smartphone by simply clicking on the Pair button. Here comes the fun part. Create your own art or choose from the variety of images and cartoons that we have prepared for you. Upload them to your backpack and enjoy.